I'm back.
How much money you got? How much money you got? How much money you got? A lot. Tell me, are you riding?
So I'm washing up, and it's taking me a while, you know.
You should get what you deserve, and that's a nigga like me. You should get what you deserve.
And then randomly, my left hand middle finger, I couldn't feel it, and it was moving to the left toward my index finger, and I had no control over it. And I'm trying to move it, and it's hurting so much that it literally has me in tears. I go to the sink to run my hand on the hot water, and I'm crying. My pain tolerance is really high, and I'm crying. Like, I can't help it. It hurt. Like, I know people cry when they hurt, but it takes me a little bit, you know, to cry from pain, and that shit was crazy. So I'm not totally ready for bed or for my night, but I'm finally back at my stage 2, well protected and done. I did a lot, you know, changing my the little tape where my incisions are. I cleaned my belly button, put the powder. I cleaned my incision, put the cream, the stitches in my back. I put new tape, the burns, I put the cream. I had to really dig in my arms with the ultrasound because they were so bad. Now I just want to, you know, finish getting myself ready for bed. And then I'm going to wrap my face, or at least partially wrap under my chin with an ace bandage since I don't have a chin strap, because I need compression there tonight for sure. I wanted to show you guys the ultrasound on my arms because they were so bad, but it was just way too much. I'll show you guys soon though. Alright, I think I'm done for the night because I am exhausted and power's coming on in 20 minutos.
I just want to know why y'all hoes so jealous. Why y'all punk ass hoes can't get out here, do what y'all do, get your own motherfucking money.
If you fuck with me, I give money regardless. Like guap, get some chicken, guap, get some bread, guap. Hoe, unimportant, unattractive, unemployed. Ass, you can flex. Get some money, hoe. Tell me why you stressed.
I'm wearing sneakers with my sundress I'm wearing sneakers for the first time in forever today. I still have on my compression socks because I'm still so swollen from the damn plane.
Talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in.
I sprayed the bed with Lysol, but I'm actually just sitting up on my BBL pillow. This worked out well.
Bitches stab you in your back while you're smiling in your face. Talking crazy on your name, trying not to catch a case.
So I just got home. I'm 2 weeks post-op. I see this. I pulled up this. This is so weird. So let's see what the hell is going on. And of course, this is my drain site. What the hell? I didn't even get the alcohol. I'm so nervous. I don't got time. I just want to see what the hell's going on. Nothing. I mean, there was clearly blood coming out of there. Oh, maybe the sutures are lifting up. You see that? Oh, I don't know. But that's what's going on. I'm going to have to re-clean this now and change the bandage, obviously. It's not expecting that. That has not happened before now. 2 weeks today. The clot was in there. And it's still a little in there, but there's nothing I can do. I tried everything. At least I got most of it out. And hopefully it'll drain. I've helped tens of thousands of women along their cosmetic surgery journey specifically, and I'd love to know how I can help you and or your loved one too. Feel free to comment below or inquire about my services on my website.